Hello, hi everybody. This is lecture number 25 in the Cybersecurity for Beginners course. And this lecture we're going to talk about how to build a cybersecurity career roadmap or a plan. Uh, Building a cybersecurity career is essential for navigating this dynamic and rewarding field. As cyber threats evolve, so does the demand for skills professional who can protect systems and data. A well-structured plan helps the candidate to identify the necessary skills, certification, and experience or hands-on experience to advance in this high-demand career. Whether you are a beginner or transitioning from another IT field, a clear roadmap is the key to success. Means that plan, and plan. So just on the right hand side, I'm listing out the cybersecurity career pathway, starting from the feeder role, networking, software development, and system engineering, and depending on the level. Is it entry level or beginners? Is it intermediate level or senior or advanced level? Listing every level has a special list. So why the career roadmaps cybersecurity important? First of all, defining the goals means that plan for yourself, set for short-term or long-term activity. For example, deciding whether to focus on penetration testing or cybersecurity engineer or threat analyst or governance. So you have to define your what type of or what role you're going to play. Then identifying the key milestones, provide a clear sequence of steps or tasks from foundation knowledge to the advanced expertise. For example, start from the fundamental, then certification, and so on. Or maybe security, then progress to other certificate. Also, tailoring to your interest. I mean, you should work in the field that you like. So cybersecurity also offers a variety of roles and a roadmap that ensures or shows your choice align with your strengths and aspiration. Like for example, transitioning from software development to application security and so on. So seeking the knowledge in the field is very important, and then also as well as certification, and of course you need to build an experience and develop the interpersonal skills, communication skills, etc. This is the steps how to build your career in cybersecurity. First of all, you have to have the learning cybersecurity landscape or fundamental qualification at least. You need to research the role or responsibility and industry requiring cybersecurity expertise. Like for example, a cloud security specialist focus on the securing cloud platforms. So that means you need to focus on the like AWS or Azure. Also, you need to gain the fundamental IT skills. You have to be good in computer or social media, like learning networking, programming, coding, and operating systems like Linux or Windows or whatever it is. For example, if you need to study TCP protocols and aspiring with Python, so we need to know the programming, how to program in Python, etc. Also, you need to have the good experience or hands-on experience to work on a project and participate in the teams to capture the flag or competition to create the home lab. And just example, for example, the practice penetration testing using tool like Metasploit. Also, we need to earn the certificates also, or relevant certificate. Maybe cannot cover all the certificate, but what the field you looking for, you need to have a certificate in that field. So start with entry level certificate. Don't go to intermediate and advanced level. Go start small. Like complete the CompTIA or SIA to validate your skills in threat detection. Also, don't forget to have a networking, how to work with the people, with companies. Stay informed also, updated. Join cybersecurity communities, attend conferences, workshops, and so engage in the forums. Like for attend event like a Black Hat or DEF CON to meet industry leaders and to meet the researchers in this field. Of course, this field has also challenges, not easy way. Maybe you need to keep continuous learning with update all the time according to the changes, like the field. This field, I mean, evolve quickly, changes, requiring continuous learning all the time. So it means that staying updated on emerging threats like ransomwares as a service. Or maybe also you need to develop special skills and practical experience uh, offer emphasizing or certification can offer show also or shadow the real world expertise. Like employers value practical problem solving skills alongside credential. Don't forget to navigate or search all the time crowd field. I mean, beginners may find difficult to start with or to compete others. So this is why you have to build a good portfolio of a project can help you demonstrate your abilities. This is the tips for success. I mean, you need to start small. I mean, don't start with the high level. So that means begin with basic skills and certification before advancing. And of course, you have to be serious and cautious as well. They continuously learn about the latest cybersecurity tools and techniques, be updated all the time. Of course, building the techniques is crucial as well. So engage with cybersecurity community to gain insight and knowledge and opportunity. Of course, also you don't need to rush. I mean, be patient. Progress in cybersecurity take time. You cannot be expert in one day and one night, so it needs some kind of consistent effort. Of course, you need to also have a good networking, as I would say, and you need to draft your cybersecurity resume and prepare for entry level. I mean, every time update yourself. Let's come to the conclusion here. A cybersecurity career roadmap provides a clear path for navigating this challenging yet rewarding field by setting clear goals, acquiring the required skills, and pursuing practical experience. I mean, the candidate can unlock opportunity in one of the most sought after profession. So with the proactive approach, you can, or the candidate can ensure study growth and success in protecting the digital world. Thank you very much.